Ever had a car that turned your life upside down? Some models are practically guaranteed to give you nightmares. Endless breakdowns, terrifying repair bills, and more frustration than you ever signed up for. In this countdown, we are exposing 5 modern vehicles, spanning from 2010 to 2025, that can become serious money pits. We will start with number 5 and end with the absolute worst offender at number 1. Buckle up and get ready for the ride of your life. Number 5. Dodge Journey, 2010 to 2015. This crossover might look innocent at first glance. It has an affordable price, decent cargo space, and family-friendly seating. However, the Dodge Journey from 2010 to 2015 has a nasty reputation for mechanical and electrical nightmares, often striking long before the odometer hits 80,000 miles. One major culprit is the transmission. Early models used a 4-speed automatic that was outdated even then, while later versions received a 6-speed that still suffered from frequent failures. Expect sudden jolts, slipping gears, or total breakdowns that leave you stranded at the worst possible time. A rebuild or replacement can easily sabotage any cost advantage you thought you had. Electrical gremlins also plague this model. Imagine driving on a stormy night, only for your infotainment system to crash, headlights to flicker, and warning lights to flare up with no clear explanation. Sometimes it is just a bad ground wire, but other times you could be hunting down expensive, glitchy modules that drain your wallet. Engines, especially the 4-cylinder, often develop oil leaks around critical gaskets, while the V6 can have cooling system issues if neglected. Yes, a handful of Journeys dodge these issues, but most owners will see maintenance costs stacking up fast, wiping out any initial bargain they scored on the purchase price. Number 4. Mini Cooper S, 2011 to 2015. Who can resist the Mini Cooper S? It is playful, zippy, and fits into parking spots that other cars can only dream about. Unfortunately, this small wonder can become a giant headache. At the top of the worry list is the timing chain tensioner, which can fail prematurely. One day you hear a faint rattle when you start the engine, and before you know it, the chain snaps, causing catastrophic damage to valves and pistons. Repair bills in the thousands are all too common, making you question why you ever fell for this car's charm. Oil consumption is another notorious flaw. Many Cooper S models burn oil at alarming rates. If you do not keep a close eye on the dipstick, you risk starving the engine of lubrication and facing a meltdown. The turbocharger, which is a blast when it works, can fail if maintenance has been spotty. Coolant system leaks also occur. Sometimes a small crack in a plastic connector leads to severe overheating. Yes, thorough servicing can reduce the risk, but missing even one important interval may turn your beloved Mini into a money-gobbling monster. Number 3. BMW 5 Series, 2011 to 2016. With the N63 engine, few cars radiate luxury and performance like the BMW 5 Series. Models equipped with the N63 twin-turbo V8 deliver jaw-dropping power and a plush interior, but beneath all that glamour lies a litany of high-stakes issues. A prime example is the timing chain, which can stretch or snap much earlier than expected. Neglecting the warning signs, like a subtle rattle, can lead to internal carnage and a crippling repair bill that easily hits 5 figures if you are unlucky enough to be out of warranty. Then there is the engine's infamous oil consumption problem. Imagine pouring in quart after quart, only to open the hood again and realize it is already running low. Miss a top-up and you risk destroying your turbos or scoring the cylinder walls. High-pressure fuel pump failures, leaky valve covers, and cooling system problems round out this mechanical minefield. Yes, when everything works, the 5 Series is a dream, but one check engine light can send your bank balance into a downward spiral. Number 2. Jeep Cherokee, 2014 to 2018. With the 9-speed automatic Jeep markets, its vehicles as tough, capable machines. But the 2014 to 2018 Cherokee, equipped with the 9-speed automatic transmission, has become a cautionary tale for many owners. That 9-speed gearbox seemed brilliant in theory, offering improved fuel efficiency and smooth shifting. In reality, it has been plagued by gear hunting, rough transitions, and even complete failures before reaching mid-range mileage. Some owners have endured multiple transmission replacements, never finding a permanent cure for the endless headaches. Software patches and recalls attempted to address the underlying problems, yet many Cherokees continue exhibiting the same quirks, leaving drivers exasperated. If you are lucky, you might avoid the random stalling or misfires that others have reported. However, do not count on miracles. If you decide you absolutely must own one, take a long test drive, shift it through every possible scenario, and budget for repairs. Once the transmission acts up, there is often no simple or affordable path forward. Number 1. Land Rover Range Rover, 2012 to 2016. At the top of our list, we have the Land Rover Range Rover from 2012 to 2016, a machine that embodies opulence and off-road prowess. It also carries a track record for catastrophic failures well before 80,000 miles. The air suspension, designed to deliver a cloud-like ride over any terrain, can spontaneously collapse. Replacing one corner can cost thousands, and that is not factoring in the possibility of the other 3 corners failing in quick succession. The supercharged V8 demands constant vigilance too. A small coolant leak can spiral into severe overheating, warping cylinder heads, or even seizing the engine. Timing chain rattles, infotainment glitches, and sensor malfunctions add to the list of potential migraines. Some owners are prepared for these bills, treating them as the price of luxury. Others find themselves financially underwater, wondering how a dream SUV turned into a bank account black hole. These 5 cars, from the seemingly innocent Dodge Journey to the ultra-luxe Range Rover, often surprise owners with expenses that crush any sense of automotive bliss. While some folks luck out and avoid the worst-case scenarios, the odds are not in your favor.